In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics account and get your tracking ID set up on your website using Hostinger Website Builder. This process is extremely beneficial for anyone looking to monitor the performance and traffic of their website efficiently. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides you with insights into your audience's behavior and can help you make more informed decisions about your site's content and marketing strategies. To get started, if you don't already have a Google Analytics account, head over to the Google Analytics website and create one. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to sign up using your Google account. Once you are registered, you will need to set up a new property for your website. This involves entering a few details about your site, such as its name and URL. Following this, Google Analytics will provide you with a unique tracking ID, which is crucial for linking your website to the Analytics account. Now that you have your tracking ID, it's time to log into your Hostinger Website Builder account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Site Settings section. On the left-hand side menu, you'll see an option for integrations. Click on this, and it will open up a list of various tools and services you can connect your website with. Here you'll find the Google Analytics option. Clicking on Google Analytics will prompt you to enter your tracking ID. It's a simple copy one, paste the other process. Make sure you have your ID handy, as you'll want to accurately paste it into the designated field. This tracking ID serves as the bridge between your website and the Google Analytics platform, enabling the two to communicate and share data seamlessly. After pasting your tracking ID, don't forget to save your changes. Within the Hostinger Website Builder, there should be a clear option to save, usually located at the bottom or top corner of the integration settings page. Saving your changes ensures that your settings are applied effectively. Once you've saved everything, it's important to verify that your tracking is active. This can be done by heading back to your Google Analytics account. Within a few hours, or sometimes immediately, you should begin to see data from your site populating in Google Analytics. It's a good idea to keep an eye on this data over the next few days to ensure everything is working correctly. Setting up Google Analytics to work with your website is a great step in harnessing the power of data to grow and understand your online presence. Having accurate analytics allows you to see which pages attract the most visitors, how users navigate your site, and much more. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll explore even more features that can elevate your website's functionality.